Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites and starting a project now. Install Visual Studio with the NET desktop development workload. Once done, pick Visual Basic and create a Windows Forms app. Make sure to name the project and set the target NET version because consistent targets avoid runtime mismatch. You will see Solution Explorer and Form Designer immediately. From here, focus on a single form and an initial control to validate the toolchain and confirm builds succeed. You now construct the interface and wire behavior. Use the designer to position controls, then set properties for names and defaults so your code is readable. Once controls are placed, double-click to generate event handlers and implement logic. Keep methods small and use regions or partial classes to separate UI from business logic. Make sure to add NuGet packages or references early, and set options strict on to catch type issues at compile time, which saves debugging later. You finish by building, publishing, and verifying the app. Switch to release mode, run unit or manual tests, then open the Publish wizard to choose target runtime and deployment type. Single file or framework dependent, each has pros and cons. Once published, test on the target machine and iterate. If something breaks, inspect the output and error list, enable detailed MS build logs, and confirm assembly versions and NET runtime on the target. That single check resolves most deployment failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.